welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, let's go on with next video with this, I must say, pretty nice and small Talkback speaker system, Phenyx Pro PS-M1. Why to go on? Because I have recorded and published here on my YouTube channel one video with test of this Talkback system, this active speaker box together with this dynamic vocal microphone, and I must say it works pretty nice. Yes, it's not high-end, it's small, but incredible loud. Incredible. There is a small, very small speaker, 3-inch, but with neodymium magnetic system, and the sensitivity regarding the technical data of this small speaker is 98 decibels. Once more, 98. I've up to now never seen such a small speaker with such a high sensitivity. Yes, 98 or 100, 101. It's the normal, normal sensitivity of professional, high-end professional speakers. For example, this Tesla 15-inch ARM 9404, incredible good speaker, but so huge and so heavy, and 98 decibels by such a small speaker. I must say I cannot believe my eyes when I read the technical data, but when I tested the sound, it was incredible loud. So let's, as it is usual on my YouTube channel, let's make now the deconstruction. I will try to open it. I will try not to damage it, but I must see the the speaker. It's for me, and I believe that also for you, or it can be for you interesting. And another info, Phenyx Pro started new Kickstarter project for this speaker. So in my previous video, in the video description, and also in this video is active link to this Kickstarter project. So if you would like to know more, watch my previous video. I put here active link, if I don't forget, and I put active link to the Kickstarter project of the Phenyx Pro company. So let's do it. I see, I believe that it will be not so difficult because I see here 4 screws. So let's try it and open it. We'll see. Okay, it looks that it's possible to open it. Okay. Yes. Connector. I will take the camera and I will make a detailed footage that you can see it better. So, dear friends, how do you like it? But it's not the end of this video. I will try to disconnect it and also disconnect the wires and dismount the speaker that we can have it separately here on the table. So let's do it. Connector disconnected. So, dear friends, dismount it. How do you like this pretty nice mini small speaker with wooden cone and neodymium, very strong neodymium magnetic system? write me in comments. I like it. So let's try this speaker separately with one professional amplifier. I have here under the table the US QSC 400 200 watts per channel, a real professional US amplifier. So I will put here wires and I will try to connect it directly to my amplifier. So, dear friends, connected directly to my professional amplifier QSC 400 200 watts per channel, and I must say I now believe the technical data because this small, it looks like a toy, it is incredible loud. And dear friends, now I will do a comparison, uncomparable. Such a small 3-inch speaker, I will try to compare with high-end professional old Tesla speaker, about 26 pounds and the sensitivity 100 decibel. So this is a real top old vintage bass speaker used in the moment, used originally in the huge bass amps, so heavy and huge with incredible sound. So uncomparable. Yes, this small speaker is 4 ohm. This 100 watts bass speaker is 8 ohm. So uncomparable. But I love such a comparisons, and I must do it because I would like to show you. I cannot believe my eyes and ears when I watch this small toy. So now are connected this one Phenyx Pro 3-inch wooden cone neodymium magnetic system toy, and this really high-end top vintage 100 watts professional bass speaker. So let's do it. With you to the day I die. Yes, my friends, this is sure better, but this is real high-end. And this is mini PS-M1 Phenyx Pro Talkback system with such a small speaker. Sorry for my emotions. I'm really surprised with the with this small speaker. So, dear friends, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, you can also join my channel, and don't forget to watch the previous video with sound test of this active talkback system together with this microphone, and also watch the Phenyx Pro Kickstarter project, active link in the video description. So once more, thank you and have a nice day.